guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to try and do Mugger's mouse that Natalie Mugridge put together. I will link Natalie's video in the description below, but this is me trying to do Mugger's mouse. I hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm just going to start by pouring these out onto my flip tray. This is the Mugger's the Mouse kit from Crystal Parade that I'm using. I've used So Nude by Shinties for the colour in the background because I think that'll be really pretty. So I'm just going to top coat this and then we'll start on Mugger's the Mouse. So let's just sort these out. So I think she goes in with these first, which I'm just going to put here so that they're away from those micro beads. I'm going to try this, not tried it yet, and we'll see how things go with this. Wish me luck because I'm probably going to need it. There we go. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of that, and then we're going to pick up these crystals and pop them in. Just using my fingers just now, just till I position them. And please excuse the state of my hands. I'm not long out of hospital. I've been really quite ill, so I've not really had a chance to do my own nails. Right, and then there's excess gel there, so I am just going to wipe that off because you're going to have to put more crystals and stuff in later on. So I'm just using one of these little swab sticks to do that. Right, so I'm just going to pop them in the lamp like that. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze some of this onto some a nail form because I'm going to have to squeeze it into little sections. Just to do the same as what Natalie's doing. I'm just going to take a small bit of that just now and just pop it in the centre of these. Try not to get it all over the crystals, but making sure there's enough to hold that little nose crystal in. Like so. So I'm going to pop that back in the lamp again. So then I'm going to fill these gaps here so it's these little cheeks. So I'm just going to use some more of that gel if I can pick it up and place it in there. And then the same on the other side. And then we're going to pick up these nice point back crystals, the pink ones. I don't know all the names for them. And just place that in there. And then the same again on the other side. So that's these little cheeks. Mine's is kind of off centre, but I'm not really fussy about that at the moment. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp again to cure. And this is how it's looking. So this is how he's looking so far. It's now time to add on his tummy. So I'm just going to squeeze out a blob out of the bottle. And then make sure that's not going to string all over the nail. And then we'll pick up this one for his body, which is like a teardrop shape. And just make sure that's got good contact and remove the excess that's poured out over the sides. I'm going to pop that in the lamp again. So then what we're going to do is come in and add on her ears. and we're using these nice large ones. So I'm just pressing that down into that gel. And just manoeuvre them about until you're happy with them. I'm just going to remove that excess there. So like so, and pop it in the lamp again. So I'm just going to pick up some of this with my drawing tool and place it on where I'm wanting the feet and the arms to sit. So I'm going to do a foot here. A bit of fluff on there. It's going to annoy me. And then the same again on the other side. And then a little dot for the arms. So we'll do the bigger ones for the feet. And then the smaller ones for the arms. So I'm just trying to make sure I'm happy with the placement before I pop it in the lamp. So then we are going to come in and add some of these micro beads, which I keep flinging everywhere. So I'm just going to use a fine liner brush, which is Natalie Mugridge one. And then we're just going to place some of that gel in there. And place these micro beads in. These are beautiful, nice rose gold colour. This one doesn't want to come off. There we go. So then you're going to do the same on the other side. I'll use my brush. I'm being very careful trying not to get the gem glue on the shiny parts of the crystals, because that will take away the shininess. I'm just going to flash cure this. Then I'm going to take some more and fill this gap in the top of his head. Just to close up that gap. And then we're going to do the tail. So I'm just going to use my brush. And then we're just going to wiggle it up.
There we go. So she's got a swirly tail.
like that, and then pick up the caviar beads and just place them on that gel.
Okay, I'm going to pop her in the lamp, just to have a full cure, and I think that's her done. And then I'm going to show you.
I absolutely love how sparkly this is. And I absolutely love crystals, but you know, my clients don't really have crystals. And I've got hundreds, probably thousands of crystals. So I like doing these wee things. I will try and do some more little designs as well after this. See what I can come up with. As time comes consuming, I can't even say that word. But they look so pretty once they're done. And I like this wee kit as well because it's got everything that you need to complete this design, so it's really, really good. Oh my god, I think that'll do. So there's my little mousey. As I say, what I'll do is I'll leave Natalie's description for her video in the comments below, the description should I say, and I'll also leave the link for getting this kit in case you want to go and try this. But don't you think she's really pretty? I know this is like the Mugger's Mouse kit, but I think it's more girly, this one. So I'm just going to pop that in for a full cure, and that's me done, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video with me. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.